Speaking of the PS5, though, you see, that's a better segue. We're getting the hang of this.
Yeah.
I love reading news like this. I don't play that many video games, but when I do, I don't want to wait because I got to carve out time, man. Time. Running out of it. Being a human, you're running out of time all the time.
Always.
Every day. Mm-hmm. Make it count. Make it worth it. No redos on time. You redo a lot of things in life, not time. Unless you're Michael J. Fox in Back to the Future, he gets the redo.
You got to get a time machine.
He gets the redo. But all the rest of us, you can make change to a lot of things. Like, you can make change to your physique like you've been doing.
Really? Well, I appreciate you noticing.
No, I didn't actually. Vin did, and then I'm just hopping on board with that.
Yeah.
You can make change to a lot of things. You make change to, you could paint. You could change the paint color in your house. Mm-hmm. Do that.
Yes, you can.
You could change what you eat for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
So lots of fun stuff there, but you can't change the amount of time on your clock, sir.
Yeah, that's always the constant.
So I don't think anybody wants to spend the time on their clock waiting for loading screens. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Maybe
Wow, what a segue.
There's probably YouTube channels dedicated to the best loading screens, and probably a whole community of people that are angry right now saying, I live for the loading screen. Mm-hmm. But it's not me, and I don't think it's you. And apparently there's an interview that took place. Developer. There's a game coming out, Horizon Forbidden West. How about that name for a game? And the game director has confirmed a tidbit in which he states that the uber-fast SSD drive inside of the PlayStation 5 will result in virtually no loading screens. That's a heck of a claim. Mm-hmm. Virtually no loading screens. I mean, he's speaking probably...
It's for their game, right?
Yeah, in relationship to him. But he's saying he's got an open world game, Horizon Forbidden West. You can open the map, fast travel from one end to the other, restart from any checkpoint, super fast, no loading screens. I mean, it sounds like a pretty heavy game. I don't know.
It is, yeah.
Oh, okay.
The first one, at least.
So you would assume that in a heavy title like that, if they can achieve no loading screens, then presumably you'll see it elsewhere as well, based on the SSD being there.
Yeah.
It's actually kind of surprising it's taking this long for SSD technology to get into the console. Mm-hmm. Kind of surprising, really. Mm-hmm. Of course, now the whole focus shifts to, particularly with the digital-only version, bandwidth to get the software in the first place. But after you get over that hurdle, it's nice to know you jump straight into the game and you're not staring at the loading screens. I'm quite happy about that.
Yeah, that's great.
But we'll have to wait and see how that maps out for the other titles. This title is targeting a 2021 release date, and it will feature a larger, denser map than its predecessor, Horizon Zero Dawn, which is the one you're talking about, I presume. Did you get a chance to play this game that I'm speaking of?
I played halfway through. It was very difficult. I screwed up many times, but
nice.
A great game.
Nice.
I need to finish it.
I don't mind a difficult game. If I'm going to play a game, I don't mind a challenge. Mm-hmm. I don't need it to be easy.
Yeah. It's very, very robust.
Mm-hmm. I like
Upgrades
robust.
And secrets.
Oh.
A lot of side missions.
Side missions.
Yeah, they get you.
Man, side missions.
Yeah, it's a very long game.
So do you... At some point, you have a reference point of how much you haven't achieved yet.
Yes.
Like you're constantly
referencing. You look at your mini map, and it's just tons of
like you've done 1% of the game, but you've been playing for. Yeah. I hear you, man. I think people can relate. Mm-hmm. So you got to dive back in. You got to try out the new one over here. No loading screens. Anything. More time for your side.
That's really
missions.
half the time.
More time for your side missions.